All right, hello everybody. Just making a video here of this big the Judea brand haul. Got a big old haul. Let's see here. Holding the camera on one hand, and I'm gonna try to do this with the other hand. Okay. Let's see. I like to try to be neat. You know, I wish they accepted returns, but they don't. Because sometimes you get something and you blind buy it. I mean, even if someone reviewed it and they're talking about how good it is, and you still, you get it, it's like, oh, this smells like straight, trash, and you're stuck with it. You try to sell it, though. Somebody else will like it. Sell it on Mercari. Let's see here, we're struggling. Okay, all right. Looks like a shoebox. Okay. We're in the goodies now. Okay. Let's get these out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Man, this is a lot. So basically, I bought a bunch of duplicates. I'm gonna try to sell those on my Mercari. I'll leave a link to that in my description. You gotta keep in mind that the Attar brand, they take a long time to process your order because they got a lot of orders to take care of. But if you go to my Mercari and I have something that you like, I can get it to you far quicker. I get it out to you the next day. Depending on where you live, it might take up to 4 days. But if you live pretty close to North Carolina, it's not going to take long to get to you. All right. And I will be selling these at a discounted price. And I will take good offers, okay? They all came in black pouches. Sometimes they come in boxes. But I actually like the pouch better. It's more easier to store and, you know, to deal with. Okay. That's everything. Push that forward. And we'll start to get these organized. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Once I get them all out, this is Congeniality. Congeniality. All right. I know I'm saying that wrong. Let's see how this smells. Okay, I'm just smelling the tip. I'm not gonna really spray these, but the duplicate ones, I might spray them to get a better smell of them. But I know that this is a female scent, and smelling the sprayer smells amazing. Okay. Okay. I'll put that to the side. Get all the duplicates together. That's the pouch. Okay. There we go. And that Miss Congeniality is supposed to be a inspiration of Delina Exclusive from the house of Parfum de Marly. Okay, what we got here? King of Judea, Attar. Okay. This is an inspiration of kind of forgot. I'm not sure if it's like, it's from Parfum de Marly though. All of them will be in my Mercari. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see how this smells. That smells really good. I did a good job with what I picked. Once you buy enough of them and you start to get an idea of what you like, so, you know, something that might stink to you might smell good to someone, but I've learned to pick exactly what I like and what I know is gonna most likely smell really good. Okay, look at this here. If this video stuff goes well and people like to watch hauls like this, you know, I'll invest in a better camera, like a camera stand or something, you know. Okay, what we got? Oh, yeah. So this is the inspiration of the Baccarat Rogue 540 extract, but this is their Attar, Virgin Attar. I have a personal bottle, and these are one of my favorites. And I already know how this smells. Okay. I've never smelled this one before. This is something, I don't remember the name, from Memo Paris. Smells good. I'm really looking forward to the Drowning in Vanilla one I got. Okay, dictatorship. Alright. نعم. هاني جاي. هاني بسوي فيديو. Alright, here we go. Another inspiration from Parfum de Marly. I forgot what it was, but I have a feeling this one smells amazing too. Let's see. Yeah, it's very good. Very good. It's a banger. Each one I've gotten is a banger. Like that female one, I could rock that. Because it smells really good and it's not like too sweet, you know? But it's like a different kind of sweet. It's like that lychee sweet, you know? But realistic lychee. Like a realistic fruit, you know? Some fruits aren't too sweet, but you know what I'm saying. There's nothing added sugar. Okay, let me see. So, where's the bag? Here it is. Try to organize some things here. Okay, I only got one of these. This is from Tom Ford, the black lacquer. I don't know, let's see how this smells. I just took a risk with this one. That smells good. Okay. I'm gonna leave that in the wrapper. That goes there. Miss Congeniality. Congeniality. Oh. I have to learn how to say that one. Okay. I think this is Pegasus from Parfum de Marly. The brand calls it the Mythical Horse. Beautiful. I know this one smells good too. Yeah, that's good. That's very nice. Okay. Jazz by the fire. I already know how this smells. It smells wonderful. That's Jazz by Mason Margiela, and it's a hybrid of the Jazz and by the fire. Okay, I'm gonna set that right there. And if you're watching this, if you could please like and subscribe, leave me a comment. And like I said, if you're interested, I will be selling all my duplicates on Mercari for a discounted price. Mythical Horse. Let's see what this is here. Drowning in Cherry Casino. Never smelled it, but usually all these. So this is I think a tri-bred, the Baccarat 540. You got the cherry from Tom Ford. I forgot which one, and then Drowning in Vanilla from Nishani, which is Ani. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I can't really smell that off the cap. I just smell like an ambery smell. If you guys want an in-depth review on how I feel about some of these, let me know. Drowning in Cherry Casino. Kind of long video. I'm not good at editing, so I'm not really gonna be doing any editing. Yeah, this is the one I was really looking forward to. Drowning in Vanilla. I had their Ani X. This is the regular Ani from the Shani, and I was in love with it. I can smell this out the cap. It's, oh my god, so good. Like, I'm smelling, oh my god, so, like, super good. It looks like the picture, kind of. Like, the smell is kind of like that kind of thickness of, like, a creamy kind of vanilla. Okay. Alright. This is called Casino Royale Fire. This is Baccarat hybrid with By the Fire. Let's see how that smells. I just know it's going to be fire. We'll hear moaning. Oh yeah, that smells really good. Very satisfying smell. Okay. The eagle has landed. Okay, we already looked at that one. Sweet Exclusivity. This is a Parfum de Marly, and it's a female feminine scent. I like some feminine scents, especially some unisex, even if they lean feminine. There we go. What's up with the camera? Oh, it's acting funny. It's like some kind of dessert. I think they say pralines. Let's see how this, if I can smell it through the cap. Oh, delicious. Super delicious. This one is pretty accurate with the picture. Kind of like, I wish I could explain. Let me see. It's kind of like when you bite into one of those chocolates in the chocolate box, those fancy chocolates. Kind of like you bite into it, and if you were to smell in the middle of it, similar to that, but more of like the cookie part of it. But there's still more complexity to it than just that, you know. It's something that you would have to smell for yourself. I will tell you it's very good. Nice. Sweet Exclusivity. It's very good. Like a man could wear this if you like that kind of stuff. It says it's feminine though, but this smells good to me. Like it smells wearable to me. Like some scents say masculine, and you're like, what? This is masculine? Drowning in vanilla. It's gonna be my new favorite. Nice. Casino Royale Attar. Very good one. Very, very good one. Eagle has landed. Okay. That's the last one to my right. I hope this video is watchable. I had a few interruptions. Like I said, I'm not, really used to the whole recording, but I thought I really should because a lot of people out there, like to watch the Dart brand videos. There's not too many of them out there. But I do feel like there will start to be, though, because the Dart brand is, like, awesome. Once you find some good stuff you like, trust me, you're going to fall in love with this company and what they have to offer. Casino Royale Fire, which is fire. All right, now the stuff to my left. Congeniality. Congeniality. Okay, it's over here. Okay. It's always satisfying to unbox stuff. And this is very satisfying for me to watch people do it too. Alright. Another Congeniality. Yeah, if you got someone, a loved one or someone, you want to buy this for your sister or your wife or whoever, your significant one, I can guarantee they're going to love this scent. And even if you're, a man, you'll love this scent. Let's see. Okay. Mythical Horse. What a beautiful picture. Pegasus looking kind of thing. Frosted Empire. Almost done, you guys. Drowning in vanilla. Is it? Yeah, it's backwards. Okay. Jazz by the Fire. Sweet Exclusivity. Okay. Alright, I think this is our last one. Yes. What do we got here? Congeniality. Got a lot of those because I know those are good. Once people know about it, I'm hoping that you guys can shop with me and support my Mercari. Alrighty guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to me, give this video a like, and don't forget to leave me a comment with any questions or if you would like a in-depth review of each of these fragrances that I've had unboxed in this video, and I can tell you how I like them and give you a breakdown on the notes and whatnot. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day.